Welcome back to Kenzie's and
Mae Mae
Adventures.
Today we're gonna play with slime.
It's gonna be squishy and super fun. And don't worry, we're gonna clean up right after, right, Mae Mae?
Maybe. Look at my slime. It's pink and sparkly.
Look at this slime. This one's purple like Rapunzel's dress. Ooh, Macy, let's mix colors so then let's see what happens.
Okay.
Pink and purple make such a pretty color.
Whoa. Ooh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
These are so much fun, guys. Wait, Macy, what's this? Is this a Hello Kitty figure? Oh my god, this is so cute.
Whoa.
Macy, let's dig for more.
Okay. What? Whoa. This is like a...
That looks so cool.
Ooh, shaka.
Wait, is this a ring? Oh my god, this looks so cute.
What's in here? I never checked this one. It's a cinnamon roll.
OMG, that looks so cute.
We have so much fun with these slimes.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, so you can play with us again. Bye!